Hi, Nikki of NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for the 6th segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing pub-style chicken wings. So for those of you that like pub food, you're not going to want to miss this one. So we're going to be doing these in two ways. One is through pressure cooking and one is through the deep frying method. Just a quick reminder about the contest for this Instant Pot. The draw is July 31st, 2019. So the entry details are on our social media pages, so be sure to check that out. You don't want to miss that. So let's head over to the kitchen and give these chicken wings a try. So we're ready to start our chicken wings. So what we've got here is flour and salt and pepper, and then we've given them a shake. Put our chicken wings in first, obviously, and then give them a shake. And then now we're just going to, the little pot's going to be our one that we're going to do the pressure cook method. So we're just going to take the chicken wings and we're going to shake off any excess flour and just put a few in the bottom here. So this one, we're not going to deep fry them for quite as long. We just want to get like a nice golden brown on these ones. And then this one, we're going to be largely deep frying them. So we're going to want them to get a little bit darker. They're going to be in here longer. Let those brown, and you're going to want to turn them occasionally. So the wings that we're going to pressure cook, we're now going to take out of the small Instant Pot and put them in a bowl with some paper towel, and then we're going to clean this out and put them back in to pressure cook them. They don't need to be browned in the oil as long because you just basically want to get a good crisp on the skin. They don't need to be fully cooked because they're going to pressure cook them. The next step for our wings that we're going to pressure cook are to pop them back into the Instant Pot. So we've put 1 cup of water into the bottom with the trivet, and then we're going to pop these back inside. And then we're going to put the lid on. Make sure it is in the sealing position, and then we're going to pressure cook for 5 minutes. Here we have our deep fried wings. So we're going to throw them into the barbecue sauce and toss them and get them under the broiler in the oven. So we're just going to take them and throw them into the sauce and mix that around until they're all really well coated. Our pressure cook is done, and we've let it naturally release for a few minutes, and now we're just going to flip it to vent and let it vent off. So our chicken wings are ready to go under the broiler now. So we've got our deep fried ones here, and we've got our 4 pressure cooked wings over here. So your pressure cooked ones are going to be a softer consistency than the deep fried ones, which have a more crispy skin. So let's put those under the broiler and we'll check back in about 6 to 8 minutes. Here we have our completed chicken wings. So the ones on the top that are a little lighter in color are the pressure cooked ones, and they're going to be a little softer than the deep fried ones that are going to be a little bit crispier. Let us know which method you liked best in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today. Give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so you don't miss any future segments. As usual, the recipe can be found in the description for the video, and any questions or comments, just let us know and we'll get back to you. Thanks a lot. See you next time.